Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people preserve yard-long beans by cooking them in salt water and then leaving them to dry in the sun. The longer you put them in the sun, the longer they will keep. The darker they are, the better they taste. Dried yard-long beans go really well with pork dishes, soups, and congee.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine Lim Zapsu. And today we're going to continue to talk about Hakka delicacies. And 今天呢，我们的美食专家 Leo 在现场。
不敢啦，不要这样讲我。
你真的要多带点食物给我吃。
可是上次不是带过一次？
对啊，一次。你觉得一次够吗？
不够。好，没问题。但是钱先拿来。
没问题。如果你可以拿一些真的特别的客家美食，我当然钱就给你了。但是在给你钱之前，我们还是介绍给各位听众一些新的东西好了。
我先形容一下它的形状好了，长。
So it's shaped long, all right?
然后颜色是绿色，是强色的。
Okay, it's green in color, 强色的。
对，我们会用盐水去煮勾。
OK， 用盐水的意思咯。
对。
So they cook it in salt water.
然后呢，拿去太阳日头下，不会晒锅，把它晒干，晒得越黑越好哦。
Oh, okay. So then they take it to the outdoors and they sun dry it until it's really dark, 到很黑。
然后呢，它就可以拿来煮排骨汤。
排骨汤。
对，也可以拿来煮粥。
煮粥啊？不要诅咒它吧？
不是诅咒啦，
怎么诅咒它？连食物都可以诅咒啊？
不是，
是
煮稀饭，客家话叫煮粥。
粥哦，
对，粥。
听起来要诅咒这个套菜，
吓到了是不是？
对，我以为鬼月快到了，是要是怎么样呢 ？Okay, that means cook it in congee or cook it in a soup like pork rib soup, all right?
我们刚刚还没有讲到它叫什么名字
到底是什么？
那个东西叫做葱挑味。
葱挑味哦，就是像长豆这样子吗？
对。
OK，
然后我们把它晒干之后就叫挑味干。
Okay, so there are two names to it. Okay, originally the form, it's actually a kind of bean. It's a very long bean, and so therefore it's called the yard-long bean. But after they cook it in salt water and they sun dry it, 等它晒干之后就变成叫做
挑味干。
Okay, that means 就是已经晒干的豆了，这样子。
是。
all right. And again, you can cook it in soup, 排骨汤。That's the pork rib soup. Or cook it in congee, 也就是粥，煮粥。Okay, that means cook it in congee. And again, it's called the yard-long bean.
葱挑味。
So there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.